Good morning. We'll discuss about Introduction to Pandas. So Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The name Pandas has a reference to both panel data and Python data analysis and was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. So why we use Pandas? Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. It can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data sets. Now we'll see the features of Pandas one by one. As you could see, there are nearly some 8 to 9 features. So actually Pandas is uh, uh, a very good library that you can use it for efficient processing of data. So first is fast and efficient data frame object with default and customized indexing. That means Pandas uses a table-like structure called a data frame, which looks like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Each row and column is automatically labeled with numbers, but you can also assign your own custom labels. Example, imagine you have a table of student names and their scores. By default, each student might be labeled as 0, 1, 2, etc. However, you can label them by student ID or names for easier reference. Next is you have tools for loading data into in-memory data objects from different file formats. Pandas can load data from various formats like CSV files, Excel sheets, or databases directly into the data frame, which helps in quickly pulling large datasets for analysis. Example, you have a large CSV file with sales data. Instead of manually copying and pasting data, Pandas can load it all at once into a table where you can filter, sort, or summarize data. The third one is data alignment and integrated handling of missing data. So when working with data, some information might be missing. Pandas can handle this automatically, making sure the data remains aligned properly, filling or removing missing parts. Example, if a student forgot to fill their age on a form, Pandas will leave it as a missing value, like a blank value, but still process the rest of the table without any hurdle. So next is reshaping and pivoting of datasets. You can reshape data easily, meaning you can rearrange rows and columns to summarize or analyze data better. Example, imagine you have monthly sales data for different stores and you want to see the total sales for each store per year. You can pivot the data to group it by store and year. Then we have label-based slicing, indexing, and subsetting of large data sets. This means you can select parts of your data by specifying row or column label. Example, in a data set of thousands of customers, you can quickly retrieve details for a specific customer by looking up their name or ID instead of scrolling through the entire table. Next is columns from a data structure can be deleted or inserted. You can easily add or remove columns from your data. Example, if you have customer data and want to add a new column for customer loyalty points, you can insert it without recreating the entire table. So next is group by data for aggregation and transformation. You can group similar data and calculate summary statistics like totals or averages. Example, in a store sales data, you can group sales by each product to see the total sales per product. Then high performance merging and joining of data. That means you can combine two or more data sets based on a common column like a key. Example, you have one table of customer information, another table with a purchase history. You can merge them to analyze the customer behavior. The last is time series functionality. Pandas has built-in support for handling time-related data. Example, if you are analyzing stock market data or weather reports over time, you can easily manipulate and analyze data by dates, months, or years. Each of these features, whatever we have discussed, allows us to quickly and efficiently manage, clean, and analyze large datasets in a way that is intuitive and powerful, even if you are working with complex data. That's all about the features of Pandas. Thank you.